As you may already know, certain numbers are associated with particular meanings. If you've studied numerology, for example, you may be aware of specific numbers that are linked to your life's journey, or to a specific aspect of it, such as your love life. However, what does it mean if you keep seeing a particular number, or numbers, everywhere you go? It's especially important to understand the significance of the numbers 1111, 911 and 2121. Here's why. The number 1 is connected to new beginnings, fresh starts, independence, and ambition. When it appears in the form of 1111, the power of the number is amplified, suggesting very positive things about your future. In general, the number 1 is deeply connected with the law of attraction, as numerology experts link 1 to the fact that we create our own realities with the force of our intentions, desires, and beliefs, and we may be more capable of doing so at moments when the number 1 keeps appearing to us. 1111 is often the first repetitive number sequence that people notice appearing in their lives. It is often thought of as a type of wake-up call, or a sign that your subconscious is currently being unlocked. As such, after 1111 appears to you, it's likely that you'll experience more coincidences, a stronger sense of intuition, and more seemingly lucky events than you used to. So what should you do when you notice this powerful sequence of numbers? Firstly, take note of what you were thinking or feeling, as 1111 often marks a moment at which your thinking is aligned with your inspiration. In other words, if you had a new idea or urge at the moment you saw 1111 somewhere, this is a good sign that it's wise to pursue that idea. In addition, since this number sequence suggests your manifestation powers are currently supercharged, be careful to think positively and avoid dwelling on anything negative. The law of attraction is working overtime for you when you see 1111. Practice your affirmations daily, focus in on your feelings of gratitude, and chase success. Seeing 911 means you're connected to the energies of the numbers 1 and 9. As noted above, 1 is linked to the start of a promising journey, and suggests you're currently particularly adept at tapping into your manifestation potential. Meanwhile, the number 9 is intimately related to universal spiritual laws, and to kindness, compassion, and leading by example. In some cases, 9 also relates to an ending or conclusion. In conjunction, then, 9 and 1 leave you with a number that's all about breaking through the old in order to create the new. When you see 911, ask yourself what you need to move away from, and where you need to move to. You're at a time of transition in your life, either just beginning or ending a significant change. More specifically, note that you may be progressing towards a future where your success or fulfillment is at least partially found in giving back to the world in some way, perhaps through a new career, volunteer work, or just a change in approach to your daily life. Whatever changes are coming, they're sure to model inspiration and positive behavior for others. A leadership role of some kind could be on the horizon. 2121 symbolizes a combination of the energies associated with the numbers 2 and 1. Once again, the presence of 1 here suggests that you are vibrating on a high frequency and highly capable of shaping your reality in accordance with your will. It also marks a phase of inspiration or awakening, as noted. However, the number 2 is just as important in this combination. It is linked to balance, harmony, receptivity and fulfillment. When these two numbers are combined, your life is currently centered on a theme of self-knowledge, identifying your true values, and figuring out what you really want. People often see this combination of numbers when they're at a crossroads in their law of attraction work. For example, perhaps you've honed a lot of the key skills, but are not quite sure where you want to devote your manifestation energy to. 2121 tells you that now is exactly the right time to look for new opportunities and engage in serious self-reflection that will help you understand yourself on a deeper level. It's also worth noting that 2121 is a reminder to be grateful for all the good in your life. Take some time to express positivity and thankfulness to others when you see this number, and notice how the universe begins to reflect that goodness right back to you.